we all know the most annoying thing about AWS is the setup. It's made me rage quit every time I've tried to learn. You've got to put in a credit card, you're always worried about getting a surprise bill, or you're worried that you'll mess up some kind of security setting. But what if I told you there's a way you can skip all of that? This is Cloud Labs. So I'm currently doing a lab for AWS Key Management Service, or KMS. I just click Start Lab and that's it. In the background, it's spinning up a real-life sandboxed AWS account for me. No credit card, no risk, and no setup. All right, so here we are. On the left, I have my instructions, and on the right, this is the actual real deal AWS console. It's not a simulation. So let's learn some KMS management. The lab wants me to create a symmetric KMS key, so I'll just follow the steps here. We'll go to KMS, we'll create a key, make it symmetric, and we'll give it the alias that they're asking for, my key, and I'll just skip the rest for now and just create it. All right, so we've got our key. Now, how do I know that I did that right? Back on the left, I just hit this test button. It checks my work inside that live AWS account, so I know I'm on the right track, and we've passed. No fear of accidentally running up huge bills. But here's the best part. This isn't just a one-trick pony. The next step is to create a DynamoDB table. And look, when I go to set up the encryption, the key that I just made is in a totally different service right here. This is how you learn how services actually interconnect in the real world. And if you do get stuck, we've got an AI-powered assistant right here to get you unblocked without just giving you the answer. You'll even learn advanced security, like why a new IAM user gets access denied, and then you can go in and fix the key policy to grant them access. It's so practical in terms of what this course is going to be teaching you to do in the real world. So you can stop wrestling with setup and just focus on learning. When you're done, you get a certificate to prove it. Try it now at educative.io/cloudlabs.